Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Honourable members, we have a motion. The motion as read by the Leader of the House that following the Supreme Court of Appeal ruling which nullified the parliamentary electoral results for Mangochi East constituency, that means that Honourable Francisco Masamba is no longer a member of Parliament, and the Leader has begged to move that Honourable Besta Awali, MP, member for Zomba City North, should replace Honourable Francisco Masamba as a member of the Pan-African Parliament in accordance with the rules of procedure of Pan-African Parliament. I therefore put a question. Those of that opinion say aye. Those of the contrary view say no. The ayes have it and the motion is carried.
Item 2C, questions on notice to ministers for oral replies.
Yes, Leader.
First, Deputy Speaker, I beg to move that the order paper be varied in order for us to start with government business 3B, subsidiary registration. I beg to move.
Honourable members, before I put the question and the motion that is on the floor, let me congratulate you, Honourable Awali, for that. We wish you well. And also congratulate Spain for becoming the world champions. Honourable members, we have a motion. The motion as read by the Leader is to vary today's order paper in order to tackle government business, item 3B, subsidiary legislation. I now put a question. Those of that opinion say aye. Those of the contrary view say no. The ayes have it and the motion is carried.
Government business, item 3B, subsidiary legislation. The Honourable Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation to lay at the table the following. Government Notice number 40, Immunities and Privileges, 4th Schedule Amendment, number 30, Order 2026, and Government Notice number 41, Immunities and Privileges, Child Legacy International, Order 2026.
Honourable Minister.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg to present, sir, I beg to present the paper standing in my name under item 3B, sub-item I of the order paper.
Thank you, Honourable Minister. Sergeant at Arms. Thank you. Honorable Minister, do you wish to speak to your papers?
No. But I would like it to be referred to the Legal Affairs Committee.
Thank you. Honorable members, I now put a question that the subsidiary legislation, as read by the Honorable Minister of Foreign Affairs, be referred to the Legal Affairs Committee. I now put a question. Those of that opinion say aye. Those of the contrary view say no. The ayes have it and the motion is carried. I see Rumpi West. Point of order.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, sir. I'm standing under Standing Order 96 and Standing Order 193 on privileges, especially the last point where a notice is not supposed to be given, so that I can air out through you my concern. Standing Order 193.
Honorable Member, let me take you to Standing Order 1932. Would you wish to read it?
Yes.
Please do.
A member wishing to raise a question or privilege shall give written notice containing a brief statement of the question to the Speaker, and if practicable, to any person whose conduct may be called in question. That's it. But I'm referring to Standing Order 193.6, the last paragraph I may read. A member may always raise a question of privilege in the Assembly immediately after a word or an act alleged to amount to breach of privilege or uttered or an event occurs that gives rise to the question, in which case the written notice required under subsequent shall not be required. So I'm basing my request basing on an occasion that has risen in my constituency that would prompt you, Speaker, to hear. It's a short submission, not harmful.
Okay. Looking at 7, I'll give you the floor. Let's hear you. You have the floor now.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. That's why all Malawians now, they are saying you are the best speaker. You did it at Napoleon Zombe's issue, and now we are doing it at Dadawiza's issue. It's a simple issue, Mr. Speaker, sir. We have a contractor in Rumpi West doing the Nyika Road. The government paid part of the monies that the previous government was owing him, but that money was not enough. And yesterday he scaled down his operations because the road fund is yet to pay him the arrears dating from 2023. It is a concern because if people from Rumpi West send a member of parliament, their priority is the Rumpi Nyika Road. Now I wanted to plead before you, Mr. Speaker, sir, through your office, that the Minister of Transport, the Minister of Finance should talk to Road Fund to release the funds so that he can continue working, because people are all present after Mkurukuta Moyo dealing with the hunger issue. Maize now is sold at 10,000. Now they were happy that they'll be going to markets using the road at a faster, less than an hour from Hewe, Tarire, but with his suspension, to us it has become like a sickness. We are sick. We need an emergency cure to deal with the payments to the contractor so that he can resume work. And the minister should plead with the contractor. He should not take out his equipment from the site, because I, as a young Kurukuta Moyo, people are shouting at me now. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you, Rumpi West. I don't know how that becomes a privileges matter. I think it was misplaced, but you have said what you had to, and I'm sure the Minister of Transport, who is also the leader of the House, wants to see that this road is done. The Rumpi Nyika Road has been a song, and Honorable Rumpi West, I encourage you to continue fighting. It is only Nkulukuta's Moyo's government that will finish that road, with Honorable Leader there as Minister. And I pray that once it's done, at least a 1 kilometer, or just one bridge should be named Dadawiza, because you are really fighting for this road, and we'll support you on this fight. I'm sure the Minister of Transport has taken note, and if he so wishes to respond, he will respond at a time that is convenient. Honour members, let's proceed. Leader, you'll guide us. Leader, I'm told the Minister of Foreign Affairs still has one subsidiary legislation to present. Can we proceed with that? Minister of Foreign Affairs.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg to present the paper standing in my name under item 3BI of the order paper.
Thank you, Honourable Minister. Sergeant at Arms. Thank you. Honourable Minister, do you wish to speak to your papers? Come again, Honourable Minister.
The paper has to be presented to the Legal Affairs Committee.
Thank you, Honourable Minister. Honourable members, we have a motion as read by the Honourable Minister that subsidiary legislation 3B2 be referred to the Legal Affairs Committee. Those of that opinion say aye. Those of the contrary view say no. The ayes have it and the motion is carried. Leader.
Right Honourable Speaker, I beg to move that the order paper be further varied in order for us to tackle questions or notice for oral responses. I beg to move, Right Honourable Speaker.
Honourable members, as moved by the leader, that we now tackle government business, questions, general business, questions to ministers for oral replies. Honourable Leader, who are we starting with? Which ministry?
Right Honourable Speaker, we'll start with questions under Ministry of Homeland Security.
Thank you, Leader. We now go to question number 130 in today's order paper, coming from the people of Lilongwe Site Ngwenya for Ministry of Homeland Security. Lilongwe Site Ngwenya.
Thank you, Right Honourable Speaker. I rise to confirm that question 130 is coming from Lilongwe Site Ngwenya Constituency. I thank you, Right Honourable Speaker.
Thank you, Lilongwe.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.